Mimi ni chairman ya Skyline Sacco na nimeshakuwa chairman kwa miaka 31 sasa. Hii sacco ilianzwa 1989 na tukaita Barigo Farmers Sacco. Wakati tulifikiria kuanza Barigo Farmers Sacco, watu wengi hawakujua tunaelekea wapi. Na kwanza matajiri walikuwa nasema, mnataka kufanya kitu gani? Wakatuambia sisi tunaenda AFC ama tunaenda banks hiyo zingine. Lakini wale watu wengine walikuwa hawezi kwenda kwa benki. Kwa hivyo tukasikia kuna watu huko Central Province ambao wameshaanza kitu naitwa Sacco, na Kisii na Mumias huko Kakamega. Tukasema sisi tutaanza tu, hata tukiwa ni wachache, tutaanza na kwenda kutembea kwa sacco hizo, kusema kitu gani inafanywa ili watu wapate loan na kuendelea mbele bila kwenda bank.
Skyline Sacco head office is in Elgeyo. The head office is situated opposite Kobe petrol station as you enter Elgeyo town. I am the CEO for Skyline Sacco, and I've worked the journey with the Sacco. I was employed as a clerk in the year 2003, 1st of February, and later on I was promoted to be an accountant, and being also an assistant manager. And over time I was given as acting CEO until the year 2012, when I was confirmed to be the CEO for Skyline Sacco. This society is guided by a mission. It's guided by a mission. This mission is to mobilize funds, because this is a Sacco. So it has a mission which says to mobilize funds and to offer affordable, sustainable services through professional management to all the members. Again, we have a vision as a Sacco, and our vision is to have one-stop financial institution that provides services to the members. Our motto is passion for excellence, and as a Sacco, we've been so passionate in this work and the service to the humanity, and that is why you are seeing consistent growth in Skyline Sacco. From the year 1989, when the Sacco was registered as savings and credit, it has been dealing with the farmers on the services of savings and credit from then until the year 2004, when the Sacco moved from Sabatia Farmers Cooperative, where the offices were, to Elgeyo town. We came up with front office services in Elgeyo town from then. That was the year 2004, and the branch was called Elgeyo. By then it was also the head office. We worked with Elgeyo branch for several years, and until the year 2011 we were serving our customers from Mumberes, Torongo, Mogotio, among others. So they had to move during the payday. Members had to travel from their respective places to Eldama Ravine to collect their payments. That is when we saw the need to have the branch network near to them. And so in the year 2011, we decided to have a branch network near to the customers, and those are our farmers. So that is why we opened the branch Mumberes and Torongo and Mogotio. So the 3 branches were opened in the year 2011 just to make sure the farmers gets the services near to them all the time. So by then the membership increased so much, and we saw the need also to go nearer to the customers who are coming from Sageri and also Emini. So the year 2012 we came up with the 2 branches, that is Emini branch and also a Sageri branch. Why open these branches in those small centers? Our basic objective was to have the services near to our customers. And as I have said, our customers, our main customers who are coming from those areas are farmers, and their pay or their income is very low. So when we subject them to traveling again, they again eat on their monthly pay. So in the long run, they go home with nothing. So the objective for the SACCO was to take the services nearer to their customers. We saw there is also need, and the branches, however small they were making profits. So we saw the need to have more branches. And now we went to the head of the head office for the county government, and that is Kabarnet town. So we opened a branch in Kabarnet as well as a branch in Flux in the year 2014, just to make sure we spread systematically within our area of jurisdiction. Thereafter, we went to Kambiamoto. During the same year, 2014, we saw there is need to encroach Nakuru and approaching from the outskirts point of view. So we opened a branch in Kambiamoto in the year 2014. Thereafter, we went to Marakwet because that is where our farmers are coming from, especially those who are dealing with irrigation schemes. So we opened the branch in the year 2015 in Marakwet town. Thereafter, we came now to the head office where Eldama Ravine branch is, and we decided to make sure that we have our own premises whereby we will not be paying rent and having even more income from rental income. So we hired our members, or requested our members to buy shares towards the construction of our building. And then the year 2017 we started the construction, and by the year 2018 May we opened officially our head office in Eldama Ravine. That is where we are. Recently, or last year, that is the year 2020, we saw there is need to diversify from only dairy farmers and also business people to have other farmers inclusive, so that we can diversify the risk in our society. So then we went to Kapsabet to attract tea farmers. That was the year 2020. So right now we have another branch in Kapsabet, and going forward we will try as much as possible to diversify our services so that the SACCO remains sustainable and profitable to our members. And again, SACCOs relies on innovations and also leveraging on partnership. So we are continuously improving on innovations and also partnering with other financial institutions to make sure we offer the relevant services to our customers all the time. Welcome and join Skyline as soon as you can if you have not.
My name is Victor Bore. I'm the team leader here in branch Kapsabet, Skyline Sacco. Kapsabet branch was started in 3rd February 2020. The reason why it was started is that we wanted to serve new markets. And the new markets so far is that we are targeting mostly the tea farmers, which in the start we didn't edit. But for this purpose or for this branch, it was mostly started to serve tea farmers.
Tawi la Skyline Kapsabet ni tawi letu jipya kufunguliwa tarehe 3 mwezi wa Februari mwaka wa 2020 kuendeleza huduma zetu za benki kwenye soko jipya katika gatuzi la Nandi. Chini ya uongozi wa meneja wetu Victor Bore, tawi hili limevutia wateja kwa kasi. Lengo letu kuu likiwa kumhudumia kila mteja, akiwemo mkulima wa majani chai na hata mwanariadha, bali na kampuni tofauti na mfanyabiashara. Aina zetu tofauti za huduma zimewavutia wateja wanaoendelea kuongezeka kupitia kuenea kwa shuhuda njema vijijini, mjini Kapsabet na gatuzi la Nandi kuhusu mikopo ya aina nyingi inayomlenga kila mtu pasipo na kubagua.
Here in Kapsabet branch, we have lots of products, and when we started here, there is a new product which Skyline Sacco came up with for the purposes of serving Skyline Sacco Kapsabet branch clients. One of the products is a Sky Kilimo Chai Advance. That is a short-term kind of loan where we advance to a client. Because how it operates that when a client open an account, and then when the salary or the proceeds from the factory comes to the account, that's when we disperse immediately. We give it half of what it came in. So let's take, for example, if a client is paid 20,000, so 20,000 of that is 10,000, and we charge a fee of 5% on that. Also, we have a long-term loan called Sky Kilimo Chai loan. That is a loan which starts from 0 months up to 36 months. And we are yet to disperse that because of the kind of, we started recently. So most of our clients are yet to achieve that target over time, because when we start giving out the Sky Kilimo loan is where the customer have to have operated an account with Skyline Sacco for a period of 4 months and above. But we do also have a short-term advance, which is between 0 and 6 months, called balloon advance. And that's what we subsidize with the Sky Kilimo Chai loan. Because when the farmer is yet to reach that period, at least he can take the balloon, and thereafter now they advance to Sky Kilimo.
Siri yetu kuu ni kumfikishia mteja ujumbe wa fursa za kujiendeleza kulingana na mapato yake na hata kuimarisha zaidi. Siri nyingine ni wafanyakazi wetu wanaojitolea kupitia muda, ujuzi na upendo wao wa kazi.
Here in Skyline Sacco Kapsabet branch, as I had said earlier, I have a very strong team, and that strong team can go great heights. They can sacrifice time, because the time you can go out there to the field, get rain on, and maybe the weather conditions is not good, maybe the roads, but they can still walk extra mile. And also those particular team players, honest, telling the customer the way it is. If one qualifies for a particular service, he will be told this is the way forward. And if he does not or she does not, we advise that particular customer. Then we now engage on daily basis where we can go to the ground, visit them, then teach them about Skyline and the products we have, and how they can achieve or get that particular product.
Wakaaji wa gatuzi la Nandi ambao wamesafiri kufanya kazi ugaibuni pia wamepata suluhu ya haraka kutuma hela na kuwekeza nyumbani kupitia teknolojia ya simu maarufu mobile banking inayowawezesha kutuma pesa popote wakati wowote ule.
Our target market, it was basically farmers, but we have a wide range of clients which we are targeting. So we have business people, we have those individuals who work within or in the county, the Nandi county. Also here in Kapsabet, I think it is home of champions. So we have athletes. So these athletes are also a target market where when one goes abroad, then runs and get something, then come and deposit in their accounts, and not necessarily coming here to a branch to come and deposit. We do have the technology has now come where an individual can deposit funds using M-Pesa, from M-Pesa to the account, and then also can withdraw same. And also we do have the ATM card where one can also use to make deposits of same.
Hapa kwetu Skyline, tawi la Kapsabet ndio ukoko umealika maua. Japo changamoto ya janga la corona limetikisa sekta zote, tunatumainia kuwa hamna kisichowezekana.
Our journey has been quite tough, because when we opened this branch on 3rd February, this is when the pandemic struck. Now when the pandemic struck at the first, we thought we were finished. But so far we have struggled, or we have made a lot of stride in terms of marketing, and we have managed to get a lot of clients. Not to my expectation, but I believe it is because of the hard work of the team players I have here, and probably by the will of God, because that's what we mostly depend on. And so far we are doing fine despite the challenge.
Wateja wetu nao ni ishara dhahiri ya hali maneno yanavyoambatana na vitendo.
And so far our clients have grown from the time we started, the 3rd February, and now we have close to 1,800 clients within a short period of 6 or so months. And mostly these clients are kind of they are farmers, because when the pandemic came in, most of the institutions closed, so we couldn't get them. So far the 1,800 plus comes from their farmers, mostly the tea farmers, coffee farmers, and dairy farming, and some horticultures, and few business people. And they have also made some share deposits. And it's now clocking close to $500,000 in terms of share deposits. And also the staff, my team players, I have 4. But recently they added 2 who are interns, who assist in doing marketing, because I saw the scope of the job was kind of huge. And given the market we are covering is huge also, because given Nandi County by itself is very big, and this is the only branch we have. The Skyline Sacco Kapsabet is what we have. But I believe with time we're going to open more branches. And also with those few, the 1,800 clients we have so far, we have dispatched loans to a tune of over 50 million in the short period we are in here. And so far the payments, the payback of these particular loans are good, because people have income in terms of the tea produce, because it's kind of, the tea is like a payslip to a farmer, and they are paying each and every month. So it is not that very risk compared to other kind of businesses.
Katika maeneo ya kata ya Kapture, Kapsabet, kaunti ya Nandi, hapa mavuno ya majani chai si haba, ishara tosha ya ukulima unaoendelea kupanuka kila kuchao. James Kering ni mmoja wa wakulima hao, pamoja na Cleophas Kipleting, Henry Korir na Michael Tuwei, ambao wanaendelea kukagua ubora wa majani yao.
Kwa majina anaitwa James Kering. Mimi ni mkulima wa area hii. Hapa inaitwa area ya Kapture, location ni Kapture pia. Nandi County. Mimi ni customer wa Skyline. Nilijoined January this year 2020. Nikajoin Skyline. Nimeona mapato mengi kutoka Skyline. Tangu ingie sisi kama wakulima tumefaidika sana kwa mambo ya pesa ya kuchunia chai. Kidogo tukikosa pesa kidogo tunakimbia huko, tunapewa advance ya kuchunia chai. Kuna products mingi kwa Skyline ambazo huwa sisi wenyewe tumefit kwa hizo products. Moja yao ni product kama balloon ya advance yenye ni 6 months advance tunapewa, alafu sisi wenyewe tunalipa pole pole. Kwa hizo products balloon huwa tunaomba, inachukua miezi 6 tunaomba, alafu tunachunia chai. Sasa zingine tunanuanga fertilizer kwa mambo ya majani. Tuko na savings, na hizi savings huwa inatusaidia kwa kukage ile pesa ambazo unaweza chukua. Tuliona tofauti kidogo na hizo financial institutions zingine. Niliona tofauti kidogo. Kwanza kabisa, vile tukienda Skyline office, sisi wenyewe tunapewa humble welcome. Tunapewa kabisa humble welcome. Hapo sasa tunaweza saidiwa vizuri sana. Hapo manager yako area wa bank na kuanga rahisi kuongea na manager. Ningetaka niambie watu wa area hasa Nandi County jumla, tunataka tuambie hawa wajoin Skyline, waone mapato yao, waone kuna vitu mingi Skyline imesaidia sana hapa Nandi. Kitambo wafike, mimi kwanza sikuwa nimekubaliana na Skyline, lakini vile mimi nimeona, mimi ni mmoja wao naweza shuhudia, niambie watu join Skyline, utaona tu baraka hapo.
Okay, kwa majina mimi naitwa Cleophas Kipleting. Mimi ni mkulima wa hapa Kapture na mimi natumia benki ya Skyline yenye inapatikana Kapsabet.
Kwa majina naitwa Henry Korir, ni mkulima ya hapa Kapture. Mimi ni member ya Skyline Kapsabet.
Mimi naitwa Michael Tuwei. Mimi mkaaji wa hapa Gipture. Mimi ni member ya Skyline Kapsabet.
Katika kiwanda hiki Chepkumia Tea Factory kilichozinduliwa mwezi Juni mwaka wa 2019, magari yanayosafirisha majani chai kutoka kwa mkulima yanawasili na kupitia kwenye sehemu ya kupimwa kabla ya kuruhusiwa kubwaga mizigo kiwandani. Msimamizi wa fedha katika kiwanda hiki Abigail Gudenyo anaelezea jinsi viwango vya uzalishaji vimeimarika tangu uhusiano wake na tawi letu la Skyline Kapsabet kuanza, baada ya kukutana na meneja wa tawi letu Bore ambaye alimpa mawaidha kuhusu jinsi ya kuimarisha maslahi ya wakulima wanaowaletea majani chai.
My name is Abigail Gudenyo. I am the finance person in Chepkumia Tea Factory. Chepkumia Tea Factory is a tea processing company. We started operations last year, that is 2019, June. We have operated now for about 1 year and 2 months. We came to know about Skyline in June 2020. That was a day when the branch manager from Kapsabet, his name is Victor, he came visiting our office because we had some farmers who were with Skyline. So they were account holders with Skyline, and he came to present to us the account details for Skyline and how we can make payments to our farmers. So the first time we made payment, that was leaf supply for May. Then they realized they could come in and partner with us. So Victor came to my office and we talked about Skyline partnering with the Chepkumia Tea Factory, in which case they said they could pay our Skyline farmers early enough. Like on 2nd and 3rd of every month, they would have already paid our farmers. One thing I really need to appreciate Skyline for is that they have helped us to have a very close relationship with our farmers. And for that reason, our crop has really improved in those months we were able to pay early enough. Farmers have made Skyline a household name. There is a very good relationship. They're able to get their loans, they're able to get their salaries in time. So other factories, I urge them to partner with Skyline so that they can have that good relationship with their farmers, because what Skyline does is even market companies for factories with farmers, so the farmers can supply them with leaf.
Meneja wa nyanjani ama kwa kimombo outgrowers manager Paul Kuto anasema kuwa tangu uhusiano wetu na kiwanda cha Chepkumia uanze, amekuwa akipokelewa vyema anapowatembelea wakulima wa chai katika gatuzi ndogo 5 kaunti ya Nandi. Kwa mujibu wake meneja huyo, hali ya maisha ya mkulima imeimarika kupitia kuungana na tawi letu la Skyline Kapsabet, ambapo mkulima anapokea huduma tofauti kutokana na majani yake.
My name is Paul Kuto. I'm the outgrowers manager, Chepkumia. I joined this company immediately. The company started in June. And at that time when I joined here, we had few farmers who were on board. The factory was still new. So by the time I joined here, we had registered almost 1,000 farmers. And as at now, we have 6,000 active farmers. For the 6,000 active farmers, we receive an average of 60,000 kilos in a day. However, before Skyline came in, we were collecting a minimum of 30,000. The maximum we could collect at the end man was 50,000. But when the Skyline came in 3 months ago, we had a positive increase in terms of registration, in terms of farmers who came on board. Currently we are receiving up to 100,000, which is even above the capacity of the factory. The factory receives up maximum crop which can receive is 80,000. But we have gone up to 100, which we have never received before. And that is, it is happening because when the Skyline came in, we had a lot of challenges in paying our farmers. Because as my colleague had said, we will first wait until we sell the tea. We could borrow money from the brokers. It could take 2 weeks before the payment is done. So the major problem when we went to the field, we had to go around, find it from farmers why they are not giving us leave. And they gave us 3 major reasons. They said, 1, your payment delays. It will go even up to 20th. We will not pay all the farmers at once. We will pay other banks by 10th, others by 15th, others by 20th. That really gave us a negative impact. 2, we were paying low. Because we were still new in the market, we had not gotten enough, we were still venturing into the market. So our monthly payment was also low. So the farmers asked us if you can adjust the monthly payment even by 2 bob, we'll give you leave. So when the company partnered with Skyline, we managed to make our increment from 18 to 20 shillings take home. And that one really brought a big impact. The moment we increased, farmers started having confidence in us. And again, some of them were still sitting on the fence waiting to see whether we are really paying early. So when they realized that we are paying, they were asking which bank is paying these farmers first like this. Then we told them Skyline.
Huduma zetu katika Skyline, tawi letu la Kapsabet, zinaendelea kuwavutia wateja wa nyanja tofauti. Mkulima akipewa fursa ya kufurahia majira tofauti kupitia hakikisho tosha ya fedha na uwekezaji wake katika tawi la Skyline Kapsabet.
We have various accounts. One of the account is the farmers account, which is for TV payouts. We do also have an account for the dairy farmers, those farmers who keep animals, dairy animals. Then they take produce to dairy or cooperative societies. Then through the cooperative societies, they pay Skyline Sacco. Then farmers take their dues in the account. And through that, they save shares where they get dividends. Beside dividends, they get loans also. Then we do also have a business account. This is meant for business individuals who have businesses, and also those fellows who want to start business. They also open an account with us for business. Then we do also have an account for institutions, whereby the likes of maybe the tea factories or schools, churches and companies. Also we do have for staff, account for staff where a client or a staff working for a certain company open an account with us. Then the salary comes through the account. Then they also benefit by loans, by taking loans, saving on shares, and also and others. Then we do have a Penda Junior account, whereby this comes with this kind of gadget called Skyline Sacco Penda Junior account, where it is entirely meant for young ones under 18, whereby the parent or the guardian comes and open an account for the child or the one who is going to benefit from this. Then now they start making savings. So we give out this kind of gadget to the client. Then we have a slot here where the child will be depositing some money, coins, even notes can come inside it. Then when it is filled up, now the client come with this budget. We come and open in the branch, then we deposit the money in the account of the child.
Wekeza na Skyline tawi la Kapsabet kupata dhamana ya bidii yako. Uaminifu wetu na ushirikiano wetu nawe utakujenga.